In today's market, your visuals aren't just important. They are everything. What if you could boost conversions simply by rethinking how your images are made? This isn't some future trend. It's happening right now, hiding in plain sight. In fact, a staggering 71% of social media images you saw this year were likely AI-generated. So, how do you command this power? We'll break down the top platforms that turn pixels into profit. First, understand the scale of this shift. AI image generation is no longer a novelty. It is a core marketing function. 3 out of every 4 marketers are already using AI in their workflow. The question is no longer if, but how effectively. And this is just the beginning. The market is projected to reach $60 billion by 2030. Brands that have made the switch report a powerful combination: higher engagement, better conversions, and lower costs. It starts at first glance. AI excels at creating the high-contrast, compelling lifestyle images that stop the scroll and boost CTR. Okay, the results are clear. But what are the actual mechanisms driving this success? It's about speed and intelligence. One method is personalization at a scale never before possible. How does that impact the bottom line long-term? We'll answer that in a bit. The single biggest advantage is hyper-fast A/B testing. Instead of one ad visual, you can now generate 10 or 50 in minutes. This speed transforms marketing from a game of guesses into a game of data, testing demographics and compositions simultaneously. This iterative process continuously refines your creative, pushing conversion rates higher with each cycle. It's a system of constant improvement. Beyond testing, AI enforces brand consistency effortlessly. Train models on your style, ensuring every single asset is perfectly on brand. This sounds great in theory, but what does it look like for a major enterprise? Let's look at one of the biggest names in tech, IBM. Using Adobe Firefly, IBM's team saw a 10-time boost in creative productivity. Tasks that took days were now completed in hours, but speed is useless without results. Those Firefly assets led to a jaw-dropping 26-time increase in engagement. It wasn't just faster, it was better. This power is accessible through platforms like Adobe for Enterprise, Midjourney for hyper-realism, and Canva for integrated design. For teams needing maximum control, platforms like Scenario AI let you train custom models on your own products for ultimate brand consistency. So we have speed, results, and platforms. But the true impact goes deeper. Let's talk about the financial benefits and long-term value. Beyond boosting revenue, AI directly slashes costs. A branding process costing thousands can now be done in-house for a fraction of the price. AI-powered design tools can reduce initial branding costs by as much as 80%. That's capital you can reinvest into growth. Now, let's return to personalization. We know creating a unique visual for each audience is powerful, but what's its ultimate financial impact? The impact is a staggering boost in customer lifetime value. AI-driven personalization builds loyalty that pays dividends long after the first sale. So we have conversion lifts, productivity gains, cost savings, and higher CLV. How do all these pieces connect into one unified strategy? Recall the 10-time productivity boost at IBM and the rapid A/B testing? These are not separate benefits. They are two parts of the same engine. The speed of creation allows for a speed of testing. This creates a feedback loop, a conversion velocity engine that constantly learns. That initial conversion lift isn't a magic number from one image. It is the direct outcome of using this engine to find the most effective creative. The paradigm shift is this. The ultimate power isn't just creating the final image. It's creating the process that finds the winner faster than ever. We started with a big number and saw how widespread this tech is. We've dissected the mechanisms and seen real-world proof of its power. The conclusion is undeniable. AI image generation is a strategic imperative for any brand serious about high-conversion marketing. The gap between marketers who master this new engine and those who don't is widening every single day. Which side will you be on? Your work starts now. Pick one of the platforms we mentioned, start experimenting today, and begin building your own conversion velocity engine.